We have already learned about the windows from previous videos. In this video, I will show you how to customize your workspace. You can customize your workspace by dragging and dropping the windows. When you drag a window, you will see some placement boxes. You can drop the windows according to these placement boxes. Then you can collapse or expand these windows as you wish. There is an important feature of ColorwayXpress. As you can work with more than one colorway, you can also work with more than one design at the same time. Open more than one design, then you can see these designs tabs with their design number above the colorway. If you want to work with multiple designs, you can drag their window and drop them according to the placement box that looks like a plus sign that appears on the middle of the screen. By clicking one of the open designs, you can display its colorways and properties. Customize your workspace by yourself. If you drag a window by accident or you just want to use the main layout again, you can go to the Windows menu and click on the Reset Layout option to return to the main layout. Congrats! You have learned how to customize the layout for your workspace and use ColorwayXpress more effectively.